Do you listen to music every day? What if you could make extra money out of it? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about how to earn more than $65 cash listening to music so you can make money while doing what you already do on a daily basis. Being paid for doing something you love is the best feeling ever. And if that something is listening to music, then it's like a dream come true. So, if you're like me and love listening to music, then you'll be excited to know that there are ways to make money from it. And the best part is that it's super easy. All you need is a phone or computer and an internet connection. With the right tools, you can make more than $65 a month just by listening to music, and I'm about to show you how. For today's video, I'll teach you the process and some bonus tips on how you can get paid every day, every hour, or perhaps every minute just by listening to music and doing things you already do on a daily basis. But first, how many points can you really rack up by streaming your favorite songs? Well, it will work based on your consumption, where you can get paid depending on how many songs you listen to. For example, one song can earn you 5 points. 5 songs can earn you 25 points. But if you're like me who listens to music all the time, 20 songs can earn you 100 points, all of which you can convert into real money and more. Even better, you can do all of this from your smartphone. Also, this process is free of charge and won't need any money up front. You don't even need a credit card. Crazy, right? You can easily do this from the comfort of your own home, and it's a great way to make some extra money. So whether you're relaxing at home, working out, or taking a break at work, you can start making money with little effort. With only 5 to 10 minutes, you can earn up to $100. It's easy to make money online just by listening to music. In only a few minutes a day, you could have extra money in no time. All you need to do is find a song or band that you like and start streaming. You could even put on a playlist of your favorite tunes and make money while you relax. Best of all, there's no limit to how much you can earn. You don't even need any prior experience or special skills. Watch the video to the end to learn a quick hack and start making money today. The website we're going to use is called Current. Current is a music streaming service that gives you rewards for listening to tunes. As you can see, it's closely tied to blockchain technology. On the website, it says, I want to earn rewards while I'm running, working, and commuting, and we can do this just by playing music. Current is available in the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. You can quickly start making money from home if you have an iPhone or Android phone. The best part about this is that you can start earning rewards simply by signing up for an account. All of this makes using Current a really easy way for anyone to make some extra cash and rewards. Here is the logo of the application right here. The name of the updated version of the app is called Mode Earn App. Make money and earn cash rewards. In the Google Play Store, this app has 4.2 stars with 10 million downloads and 2.7 million reviews, so this is clearly a legitimate app that people are using right now to make money. In the App Store, isn't as popular, but it has an even higher rating. The app is rated 4.5 stars with more than 70,000 ratings. So whichever smartphone you have, you can use and earn extra cash using this app. Comment down below and let us know what type of phone you're using. Going back, this app is awesome because you don't need to pay any money to get started, and you can earn points just by playing your favorite music that you can then convert into actual money. Now, how exactly do we earn massive points in the Current app and earn money? For the app to work, you must create an account. The sign-up process requires general information like your name and contact information. You also have the opportunity to earn extra points by filling out all of the requested details like your full name, your birth year, and your gender. You can even get a point for keeping your notifications turned on. And that's exactly what we want on this app, to earn as many points as we can. Simple, right? From the moment you sign up, you can start picking your favorite types of music, and by doing that, you're already earning points. But if you're looking to rack up points, I have a bonus tip on how to best use the app as well as what kind of music gets you more points. Pay close attention because I'm about to show you multiple methods to maximize your earnings. Before we proceed with the next steps, if this video fits your interests and you are enjoying this journey so far, make sure to like this video and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moving on, you can start earning rewards immediately just by downloading the app. These points you earn can be turned into cash or gift cards. It's totally up to you. So now, how exactly should you use the Current application? With this app, you're in control of the music. You can select from a range of playlists and artists to create your perfect listening and earning experience. Again, you will earn more money the more music you listen to. Then when you're ready to cash out, the cash equivalent of your points will be sent to your chosen payment method, including PayPal. Side note, if you still don't have a PayPal account, go create one. It's incredibly easy to set up. Again, you don't have to worry. You won't need to spend any money up front to get started. After finding a station you want and that also works for you, click on the Save button. Then your saved stations will appear in your library. In addition to that, there are a lot of other methods that you can use to quickly earn points. Not only can you listen to music on this app, but you can also watch videos for more points and complete tasks and offers to earn points as well. For example, as you can see here, you can earn up to 25,000 points by doing tasks. How cool is that? There are times that Current may request you to provide your opinion or feedback by completing surveys. By doing this, you'll also rack up additional points. The app says here that you can earn up to 10,000 points. Not only can you earn points by completing tasks, but you can also earn extra points by watching 30-second videos. Here, you could potentially earn 15 points. And if you find yourself getting bored of listening to music or watching videos and short ads, you can also invite friends. You can easily find your referral link on the application itself. Just click on Invite Friends, copy your link, and share it anywhere so you can get as many referrals as possible. If you refer your friends to Current, you have the potential to earn up to 500 points. Aside from the points, you also get to earn 5% of their earnings for the whole time they are using the app. The more friends you refer to the app, the more points and money you earn. And as you can see, there are tons of other ways that will help you boost your points and make you earn more money. Now that you understand how the application works, I'll show you a few other things it can do, so make sure to pay attention. The first thing you need to do is charge your phone. Yes, you heard that correctly. If you have an Android, then lucky for you because the app will let you earn points just by charging your phone. Imagine earning extra points whenever you charge your phone while using the app at the same time. Just think about how many points you're going to earn. Now, how can you use the points you earned? Cashing out your points is a quick and easy process. You will only need a PayPal account to do so, which can easily be set up in just a few minutes. Once you've connected your PayPal account to Current, you can effortlessly cash out the points earned. In the app, you'll see points at the bottom part of your screen. Here, you can see your earnings history. But when cashing out, you're going to want to go to Spend. Here, you can choose how you want to redeem your points. The amount of the gift card may vary from $1 to $10, or it may be another item such as earphones or even a smartwatch. However, you cannot redeem gift cards or items until you have earned the minimum amount of points it needs. For example, you will need about 29,000 points to redeem a $10 gift card. The necessary points may seem high, but don't worry, you can easily rack up points by listening to music like you usually do in your routine and doing a bunch of things you already do on a daily basis, like watching videos and charging your phone. Before you know it, you'll get $10, $20, or $100 without even realizing it. And there you have it. In this video, I've shown you multiple ways to earn money using the Current app. Earning money just by listening to music and charging your phone. Yes, please. Current gives you the opportunity to not only listen to your favorite stations, but also complete tasks and watch short videos for extra points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. And if that's not enough, you also get 5% of your referred friends' earnings for as long as they use the app. So start sharing your referral link today and rack up those points without any extra effort. Who wouldn't want an easy way to make some extra cash for doing the things they already do on a daily basis? Download the app.